Experiencing no signal on total wireless? It usually boils down to three key factors: coverage limitations, band incompatibility, or suboptimal device placement. First, verify coverage using the official Total Wireless or Verizon coverage maps, accessible via their websites or apps. These maps show LTE 4G and 5G availability by zip code. For real-time signal checks, use the Total Wireless app or third-party tools like OpenSignal or RootMetrics. These tools provide signal strength measurements in dBm, where -50 dBm is strong and -100 dBm is weak. Understand that coverage can fluctuate due to weather, building materials, or network maintenance, so check the signal during the issue's occurrence. Ensure your device supports total wireless bands. LTE bands include 2, 4, 12, 13, 14, 66, and 71. 5G bands are N2, N5, N7, N12, N14, 25, N66, N71, and N77. Older phones lacking newer bands like N77 may show no signal in 5G areas. For unstable 5G, enable band locking to force LTE. On Android, dial *##*4636 ###. Optimize placement for better signal. Elevate device near windows, away from metal. Use external antennas or boosters like WeBoost or SureCall. Position mobile hotspots or routers high and clear of interference.